Given a chance, would you mend your friendship with Seemah and why?
Next question. Like, I'm so tired. Guys, I'm saying Boujee without this. Okay? Like, I am literally the baddest without her. I don't want questions about her.
But you're not answering the question.
You must invite Boujee, and not me. Please. Don't ask me. I'm not answering and I'm not drinking this. Next question. Happily move for spotlight. No. No, I'm so serious. Next question. I'm not drinking anything but hell no. Yo. Should I do the question? Can we move on? Thank you.
She was mad.
What did you do to her?
It's so stupid. You know what happened? We were shooting this, what's this thing? Oh, it was for her show that was coming up, you know, living what with Cyan. You know, it was supposed to be in Showmax, so we were shooting that. And I came to her house, brought her flowers, you know, congratulations.
I remember.
Yes, I'm like, congratulations, you know, da-da-da. You know, fine. We shoot that, we go to our houses, we shoot, you know, coming out of that, you know, the whole reality show stuff. Fine. Now we're going to her gig that same night, right? Cool. We go to her gig, you know, we have fun. And now, mind you, me and Anya's Koshra, I forget that I have supporters. I forget, like, I'm there to support my friend. You understand? So I go downstairs because we're at propaganda. So the VIP area is upstairs, right?
Were you there on her, was it
her birthday? Yeah,
okay.
I was there. But this was another gig.
Okay.
So we're upstairs. I am bored as hell. And now she's playing. Her set is playing. And I want to go support my friend, take videos of her, you know, just be a friend. I go downstairs. I'm taking videos of her. People notice who I am. And they want pictures and they want, you know, stuff. And I'm just like, okay, yeah, videos, sharp, okay.
Pictures
anyway,
with you?
Yes. So I'm just like, oh, hi, deuces. Okay, now I'm focusing on my friend and I'm dancing to a set. I'm having the time of my life. You understand? Hey, okay, cool.
I hope it's not what I think it is. Okay.
Yeah, so that happens. Kanti ugel is feeling ngati mina I'm taking her spotlight. She feels like I'm taking her shine. I wish Honor would have said to me, Seemah, or sent Bryson to say, Seemah, come up so you can be behind the set so that people don't bother you. You understand?
Okay.
And you can support me. Ula.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
I think that would have been so, like, it makes so much sense because I wasn't called to stage, like, to be at the back, at least just to support her, take videos of her, you know. So I'm thinking, okay, to support my friend, let me just go downstairs, take videos of her, you know, doing her thing, post on my story. She gains a lot more followers. You get what I'm saying? Like, we're helping each other. You get what I'm saying? Spotlight.
Did she say the very same day?
No. She said it on a live. That's when she said it on a live. So I was like, oh, okay, you know. And then, fine, that same night, we go outside. So I see her with some man that I don't know. So I'm like, oh, show me. And then, you know, I was expecting, Papa, I'll tell you in the car, I'll tell you in the car, it's not what you think it is, you know. I was expecting that. But anyway, as I was saying, okay, askies. I got in the car, sat at the back, we waited for her to finish. She finished. She's talking to everyone else except me. And I'm like, Honor, can I speak to you? Are you okay? She's like, I don't want to talk to you, da-da-da-da-da. And then she was like to her hairstyle, she was like to one of her friends, Uguti me nangeni indaba zakhe, hey kapapa, kena ditaba tsa hae.
So now she's twisting it as if now the thing can no fana when he doesn't get.
Dude, like Chomi, I was just like Chomi, and then like you could have just said, "Hi, Chomi, it's not what you think it is." Papa, you know, like
it was not that deep.
It was not that deep. You get what I mean?
Always Yeah, I remember on my mom's birthday, I was dating this Skhotheni guy. His name was Small Fish. I was dating fish.
No, really?
I was Miss Fish.
Oh, Miss Fish.
I was Miss Fish, and then he was Small Fish. So like the whole Skhotheni crew, like everyone was like Miss Shaka, big fish, medium fish. Like you just had a name that had to do with something from underwater. You know? Yes. So we had to go quarter at mainland to buy ultramels and like throw the
ultramel.
Yeah. So I didn't want and I didn't want to miss out. Like, yo, I bet that's a big deal to us. Like, when your man does all that thing, I like it jiggy. Like, so it was my mom's birthday, and then we had like to go for dinner, but I had to put my man first. In daughter comes first, and then everyone else wanna nail. So I jumped the window. Yes. And I jump. Could have been music, no khafisa way. So I'm gonna miss out on that. And I can feel like I never had mulfester market kids weed. Kids weed. And then I left you, we went to Midland Mall, and then we did whatever. So yeah, it was bad. But he passed away, rest in peace to him. It's all, yeah. No main fish. Seemah, really like that. See.